Welcome to Nectain. In this video, we will explore the Document Type Settings module. This module gives administrators the ability to configure important rules and behaviors for each document type used in the system. By the end of this video, you will understand how to manage roles, states, journals, templates, folders, and more within the Document Type Settings section of the Studio desktop. We already explored how to manage roles, states, and document registration journals with the register number masks in the Document Types video. Next is the Form Recognition Templates feature. This becomes available when the DFX IDP package is installed. Form recognition templates are used to scan documents and automatically extract attribute values. Go to the Forms and Templates folder in the Studio desktop, open Form Recognition Templates, and click Add. You must provide a code and name. Then, depending on the provider selected, Tesseract, Azure Form Recognition, Google Form Recognition, or OpenAI, different configuration options will be available. For Tesseract, you must define the attribute and its location on the scanned page. For Azure and Google, you can configure a model or key value mapping and link it to a document type. Templates that are not in use can be edited or deleted. For more detailed settings description, refer to our documentation. Now let's discuss document templates. These templates are used to generate files based on the values stored in document attributes. To create one, go to the Document Template section under Forms and Templates and click Add. Enter a code, a name, and optionally a title and description. Then upload a .docx file that contains placeholders for document attributes. Attribute codes should be placed inside curly braces. Templates that are not linked to any document type can be modified or deleted. You can also open templates in Microsoft Word or LibreOffice to make edits. Document templates are used for file type attributes, such as document image, attachments, or file collections. Next is link types. Link types define relationships between documents, such as incoming or outgoing references. To configure these, go to the link type directory under Document Type Settings and click Add. Provide a unique code, a name, and define both incoming and outgoing link names. These can be localized for multiple languages. Link types must not be in use in order to be edited or deleted. Now we move on to Smart Folders. Smart Folders automatically organize documents into a structured folder hierarchy. To create a Smart Folder, go to the Smart Folders section under Document Type Settings and click Add. Enter a unique code and name. You can enable automatic record distribution and define up to 3 levels of folder hierarchy. For each level, define a code expression and a name expression. These expressions can use built-in variables and functions like str, coalesce, case, and counter. Once the configuration is saved, activate the rule and start document distribution. Smart folders can be applied to document shortcuts and search templates. Note that the system displays up to 1,000 folders per shortcut. If there are more, it is recommended to apply filters. Now let's discuss duplicate document control rules. These rules help prevent the creation of duplicate documents. To create one, go to the Document Duplicates Check Rules section and click Add. Enter a unique code, name, and select one or more attributes to compare. The system will check these attributes when saving a document. If a match is found, the user will be shown a message listing the duplicate documents, their authors, and the rule they matched. The user can choose to edit the document or ignore the warning and proceed with saving. These rules can be edited or deleted if not in use. Finally, we arrive at stamp templates. This functionality is available with the DFX stamp package. Stamp templates allow applying QR codes, barcodes, images, and facsimiles to PDF or Word documents. Go to the Stamp Templates section under Forms and Templates and click Add. Provide a code, name, and select the stamp type. The available types are document blank, document, barcode, text block, QR code, seal, and facsimile. Configure each type accordingly. You can define page numbers, positions, margins, rotations, and text elements. You can also decide how the stamp behaves when the document already has a signature. Stamps can be applied through buttons on file type attributes, via document events, or by scripts. To configure this, go to the Document Type Constructor tab, Designer, select a file attribute, and enable the stamp on document action. Then, select the desired stamp template and define how it should be applied. Actions include print only, print and save immediately, and others. The system also allows saving stamped files in designated attributes, showing a preview and managing how signed files are handled. This concludes our overview of the Document Type Settings module in Nectain. By using these settings, administrators can fully define how each document type behaves, how it is structured, how documents are registered and identified, how data is extracted or stamped, and how duplicates are avoided. We encourage you to explore these tools to build a well-governed, flexible document management environment. Thank you for watching.